Managing your assessment communications can be a manual and frustrating process. Why not take control with OWL's automatic notifications and certificates features? With automatic notifications, you tell the OWL Test Management System to generate messages based on system events, like letting you know that a test taker has registered for your assignment, or telling your raters that responses are ready to be rated. How about automatically notifying examinees when their results are available? Now, with OWL certificates, you upload your PDF templates and instruct OWL to award those end-of-exam documents for you. What's more, you can designate specific documents based on performance thresholds like percentages, points, or a scale like ACTFL standards or CFER levels. Want even more customization? Then include system variables in your PDF form, such as your examinee's name. Once the certificates are generated, OWL gives you control over when and how to distribute them. You could simply download the PDF files and incorporate them into your existing process. Or you could manually instruct OWL to email the certificate to your test takers. Now, if you want to take the automation even further, combine the certificates feature with automatic notifications. Make the most of technology by instructing OWL to automatically send an email with your certificate attached. Isn't it time for you to automate your assessment communications? Why not find out how OWL can help you do that today?